How to recover deleted account on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can recover deleted account on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you happen to delete your Telegram account, you can actually still recover it within 1 month, because until 1 month your account is not permanently deleted. So in order to recover it, all you have to do is just open up the Telegram app, and you don't have to do anything. You just have to try to log into the exact account that you try to delete. So just go ahead and then basically try to log into that exact account you try to delete, then tap the arrow option. Then it's going to send a verification code to your phone number. Make sure that you have access to your phone number. Once you verify the verification code, it will tell you that do you want to reactivate your account. Then your account will get successfully recovered. This way you can recover deleted accounts on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.